Hey there, welcome to useArtemis. In this short video, I will show you everything you can do with our app. Let's start with the LinkedIn Chrome extension. The LinkedIn extension allows you to reveal contact details of LinkedIn profiles and import LinkedIn search results. Click on the Use Our LinkedIn extension to install it. Once it's done, open a LinkedIn profile and launch the useArtemis extension. As you can see, the app found emails and phone number for this user. Click on Reveal to reveal those contact details. Once revealed, leads will be saved on your account. Let's jump to the second feature of the Chrome extension, which is for me the most interesting one, the LinkedIn import. Make a search on LinkedIn, then click on People. Launch the useArtemis extension. Give a name to your import. In my case, I will name it Outbound Marketing. Select the number of page you want to import. I want to import 5 pages. Then click on Start the import. Import LinkedIn search results may take a few minutes. Once the import is over, you will find it on your dashboard on LinkedIn Imports. And the best is yet to come. You can enrich this import with emails and phone numbers in just one click on Enrich. Give a name to your enriched list and click on Enrich. Enrichment usually only takes a few seconds. Go to Lists and selected your newly created list to see your leads enriched with emails and phone numbers. useArtemis also have a built-in prospecting platform that allows you to search for leads with contact informations. Let's search for people who work at Appsumo. As you can see, useArtemis found 19 results. I can select them and add them to a new list that I will call Appsumo. I can then find my new list of leads on the Lists tab. And as every list, I can export it to CSV. useArtemis also have another amazing feature called bulk enrichment. The bulk enrichment features allows you to upload a CSV file that contains LinkedIn profiles URL and in return get a list of corresponding profiles enriched with emails and phone numbers. For this example, I will use this CSV file that contains several leads information and LinkedIn profiles URL. Let's upload it to the bulk enrichment tool. I click on Start Enrichment. I give a name to my list. In this case, I will call it Enriched Bulk. And I click on Start Bulk Enrichment. The bulk enrichment will be processed in the background. It can take a few minutes depending on the number of users you want to enrich. You can find your bulk enriched list with emails and phone numbers on the Lists tab and then export them to CSV. These are the main tools you can use on useArtemis, but we have some exciting new features coming during the next few weeks, such as an email outreach tool and a LinkedIn automation tool.
From useArtemis.co. Today I wanted to make a short video to show you how you can actually use useArtemis.co to find anybody's email address. So first thing first, you need to go to useArtemis.co. I'll put the link below in the description and create an account. Once your account is created, you log in and you click on the dashboard. And here is what we call the prospecting platform. So there are 4 different tabs you can use. Prospecting, this is the first one we will use. Basically, this tab allows us to find contact details based on several filters, such as full name, first name, last name, country, job title, industry, company name, and company country. So you can combine all those filters to find the perfect leads for your business, for your outreach campaigns or whatever. So let's go ahead and make a research. Let's say I want to find anybody who works at hrefs.com. So I'm typing hrefs, which is the name of the company. And here it provides me with everybody who works at hrefs and that we have data for. So there are many people. I know, for example, that the CEO of hrefs is named Tim Sulo, so I can adjust my filter by adding a first name and last name. And up, here it is, Tim Sulo. So I have this LinkedIn profile. Twitter account, two email addresses. So if the data is what I'm searching for, I can save it to my lead list. Once it's saved to my lead list, I can find it here. So I already added one before, and I can then export it to CSV files. So it's already the biggest part of useArtemis, but there is also a very nice other feature that we just added, which is domain search. So for example, if you want to search for email addresses that belongs to a website, but you don't have the company name or stuff like that, you just know the domain name. So let's say I want to find email addresses for hrefs.com. It works with almost every domains. We have a massive database, and we also use third-party services to complete our data if there is something you're searching for and we can't find it on our database. We ask other third-party services, so there is almost no chance that we don't find any results. So here it provides me again with all email addresses that belongs to hrefs.com. There is also another tab that you can use to verify email addresses. So if you found leads email addresses but you're not sure if they are correct or not, just keep in mind that every addresses provided by useartemis.co are correct, so no need to verify email addresses we provide. But if there is other email addresses you have and want to check if they are real or not, you can use email verify tool to check if those emails are valid or not. It's a very accurate process because we are to let you know if the email is correct or not. We actually send an email to this address and check if the response is okay or not. So it's very accurate and very useful. So that's all for today, guys. If you have any question, you can reach out to me at hello@useartemis.co, and I'll be happy to help you. And hope you will like useArtemis. It's a very nice opportunity for everyone who works in sales, recruitment, SEO and stuff like that. So hope you guys enjoy, and let me know if you have any questions. See you.